Hello guys, welcome back to the tutorial millennial YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how in this video how to save job vacancies on Jobstreet. So if you probably want to apply to a certain job on Jobstreet but you want to apply it or save it for later, I'm going to show you how. So the first step is open your Jobstreet app on your phone. And then as you can see, this is the example of the recommended jobs by Jobstreet. So I'm going to choose one of them, for example this one. And then at the bottom you can see the save option here. You just need to click on that to save the job, and then you can apply in later. And this is the notification you save this job successfully. And if you want to save other jobs, just go click on the other vacancies, for example this one, and then click on save again. Okay, so that is for me, that is how you can save job vacancies on Jobstreet. Okay, if you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. I'll catch you all on the next one. Bye bye.